Need more speed with your die repair? Want to reduce your downtime? Cut your die maintenance time. Looking for portable precision grinding on the die? FlexArm offers a quick solution for precision grinding. The FlexArm Die Grinder is used for precise weld removal for die repair and sharpening. Equipped with a 20,000 RPM motor and piloted carbide bit, we guarantee fast and precise results. The FlexArm holds the die grinder vertical or horizontal to the workpiece, allowing for precise removal of weld beads and sharpening on rough edges. What normally takes an operator an hour in precise weld removal will take seconds using the FlexArm. Accessories include horizontal grinder attachment, carbide bits in custom and standard sizes, magnetic base mount for quick portability and precision mounting on the die. Using the magnetic base, place the FlexArm directly on the die. Make detailed and precise grinding fast and easy. When the job's complete, the FlexArm is portable and easily transported to the next workstation. Let us help you save countless die maintenance hours.